Happy Tuesday. I should probably move myself here so that you guys can see that you can solve anything with a matrix, as we learned yesterday. Okay? So yesterday we learned how to solve things with using matrices, solve systems. Today we're going to quick video, short one again. We'll see how many people watch this one, and then tomorrow we'll do some more solving. Okay? The only thing that I ask, again, is please, 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 and I know most of you watching this video already have this done, where you already have your work done, because that's why you're probably watching this video, and the ones that aren't watching this video that need to get their stuff done. So make sure you get it done. End of the quarter's coming up. It's progress time already, which means we're halfway through. Plus, it's going to be probably test week here pretty soon. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. This week. Okay. All right. So let's get this. Put it right here in the middle. There we go. Put it right in the middle. Okay. So solve this one by hand using matrices. So the first thing that we learned yesterday, we have to convert our matrix or our equation into a matrix equation. So the first matrix is the coefficients matrix. 2, negative 1, 1, and 2. The second matrix is the variable matrix, x and y. The third matrix is the answer matrix, negative 2 and 14. Okay. So there's we've converted it into matrix equation form. Next, we have to find the inverse of our coefficient matrix. So we need to find the inverse of that. Well, that's going to be 1 over the value of the determinant, Chris, minus cross. 2 times 2 is 4, minus negative 1 is 5. Okay? Then we switch on the main diagonal, doesn't really change anything, and we negate on the other. Okay? So, boom, we got that. Okay? Love it so far. Put it way down, way far. Okay? So then the next thing that we're going to have to do is we're going to have to multiply the inverse matrix by the number matrix. Okay? So what we're going to do is, because we're multiplying on this, we would multiply this matrix right here to clear it. So I'm going to have to multiply it on this side, because remember, order matters on that side. So my number equation, let me just reset my number, the actual equation. So what's going to be left on the left side is going to just be the variable equation, and this is going to be 1/5 times the matrix 2, 1, negative 1, 2, and that is going to be multiplied by negative 2, 14. So let's actually do this multiplication now. We're going to leave the 1/5 out in front for right now. Excuse me, sorry, I had a little sneeze there. 2 times negative 2 plus 1 times 14. Negative 1 times negative 2 plus 2 times 14. That's going to be, we're still going to have the 1/5 out in front. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Negative 4 plus 14 is 10. Negative 1 times negative 2 is 2 plus 2 times 14, that's 28. 2 plus 28 is 30. Now we can distribute, scalar multiply that in, and that would give us the matrix x, y equals 1/5 times 10 is 2, 1/5 times 30 is 6. So that tells us that our potential solution is the point 2, 6, because x would be 2 and y would be 6. So there's my equations. I just rewrote them. That's all I was doing there in that brief little pause. So now let's check it. 2 times 2, checking it in the first equation. 2 times 2 is 4. Minus 6 is negative 2. That's equal to negative 2. Checks out. 2 is 2. Plus 2 times 6 is 12. That's 14. That checks out into the second equation. So shabam, we are done. Okay? So that's how we, again, solve using matrices. Thanks for watching. You can continue to work on this week's worksheet, which is the review worksheet for this week's summative test.